National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Bertie County in northeastern North Carolina until 3:30 p.m. At 2:26 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located near Lewiston Woodville, or 9 miles west of Windsor, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Windsor around 2:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Republican, Mary Hill, Krishna, Midway, Woodard, and Evenhouse. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.